to discuss about Mr. Add Dumbo. My name is Prachi Joshi, and here I have tried to explain how addition of two integer numbers can be performed. So here I would like to introduce you to Mr. Add Dumbo, who will help us to perform the required addition. Before going to program directly, we need to first understand concept of variables. Variables are used to store information in any computer programming language. Actually, variables provide a way of labeling data with a descriptive name. So, in short, we can call these variables as containers also. Why they are called as containers? Because they are going to hold certain kind of value. So the purpose of variables in any programming language is to label and store data in memory. We will take an example here. You can see here that we have taken a simple declaration where we are going to declare a variable whose name is x and who is holding the value 20. As value 20 is an integer value, the data type of this particular x is integer over here. So when we make any kind of variable declaration, irrespective of any programming language, a location for variable x will be created. So in short, x it will be a location name here, then 20 it will be the value which is stored at the location name X, and 65542, this is the location address where that particular variable gets stored. So whenever we are making any kind of variable declaration, it gives us three types of information. First, what is location name? Whatever the variable name is there, that will be the location name. Then it will show us some location value which we have defined in our program, and until compiler is not going to provide any kind of address, that variable is not able to store any information. And if information is not being stored, then we cannot perform any kind of operation with that particular variable. So if you have observed here, when you assign a variable, we use equal to symbol. Equal to is basically a equality operator. The name of variable, it goes on the left. You can see x is on the left side and 20 it is on the right side. So 20 is the value that is being stored in that particular variable x. Now, whenever we are talking about addition, you can see here again our Mr. Add Dumbo. This Add Dumbo, it will input the first variable here. Suppose a variable I have declared as a, and the value we have given 45 to that variable a. So in short, we can say that for a, one location will be created which will have the same thing that we have discussed. Location name, it will be a, location value, it will be 45, and location address, it will be given by the compiler. Same case for making addition, you need at least two numbers here. So second number we are taking as 50, but I cannot directly take 50. I have to store this 50 into some variable. So we have taken one more variable here into b, which is holding the value 20, and then you are going to make the addition of these two particular number. So step 1, you have to input the first variable. Step 2, you have to input the second variable, and step 3, you have to perform the addition of variable. As well as for storing the result of addition, we need one more variable c, which is a plus b, and at the last we are going to display the value of c. It will be 95. So this is all about how we can perform the addition of two numbers with the help of Mr. Add Dumbo. Thank you. So 95 is the result, and thank you for listening to this video.